and salutations, folks. BJ Johnson with Coldwell Banker Tomlinson here, and I'm here to talk to you about our open houses that we got going on this weekend. Camera 2. Oh, wait, do we not have a camera 2? We don't have a second camera. We are Coldwell friggin' Banker Tomlinson, bro. We have been in Tri-Cities for 50 years, and we can't afford a second camera. No, reset. Hey folks, BJ here with Coldwell Banker, and I'm here to bring you your open house videos. Camera 2. Oh, hey, nice work. So, stick around for those sweet, sweet Camera 1 open house videos. And it's gonna be amazing. Camera 3. What, do we not have? All right, maybe in 50 more years we can get a third camera. Open house. Am I staring straight into it when I do that?
You're facing your nose.
So camera 2, camera change. Camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, and then I'll go camera 3. Oh, camera 3. Yeah, that's perfect, man. Yeah, it's just sort of taking it a little bit slower. I'm trying not to go like, ow, where it's just like all mouth into that one. Oh. Once again, not having a haircut, I feel like my hair is all mullet. I feel like this is a shampoo commercial.